prefer the fridge and the double cabinets. Oh, no, do the other side. Okay, okay. The microwave top isn't in it.
If you would follow me around, then...
You have a selfie tripod. You really want to, because you can angle it and...
No, it's not that great. With yours, it doesn't even hold my phone. It's just too big.
Oh. It was made before that model was out. Are those girls reading? I thought I didn't. Did your first time you did?
No. I don't think I have. Where is Daddy?
Are you hungry? Are you hungry?
He might be.
Come eat. Come eat some food. Come eat, brother. Right. Come here. Come eat. Abby, come here. Yeah. You want some meat and cheese? Oh, chicken. We got chicken for you. Ooh. I'll shred it for you, like a little small. Hold on, let me get my sandwich. I don't like the sugar on my teeth. See you practice. I've got a few, James. Come here, James. Come here, bud.
Was I supposed to twist it? I can't remember. Click it down.
Hey, I got chicken for you. Watch. Look. You want to sit at the table?